One thing I've learned after owning an RV is that it's usually the little upgrades that make everyday camping a lot easier. These two accessories from Restmo are the perfect example of that. The brand sent these over for me to try, but as always, these are my honest thoughts. The first thing I noticed is that both of these feel much more premium than I expected. The brass fittings have a solid weight to them. Everything threads on smoothly, and they feel like they're just built to last. The water flow meter is probably my favorite of the two. Instead of guessing how much water you're using, you can actually see your usage in real time. It displays your current flow rate, single session water usage, daily average, and total gallons without constantly cycling through menus. Now, if you do a lot of dry camping, this becomes really useful because you can actually monitor how much water you're using and start being more efficient instead of just hoping the fresh tank lasts another day. It also gives you a simple way to keep an eye on your plumbing. If you notice unexpected water usage when nothing should be running, this could be an early sign that you have a leak starting somewhere. The second upgrade is the 90-degree hose elbow with the built-in shutoff valve. And honestly, this solved the frustration I've had for years. Instead of constantly reaching down and fighting an old rusty campground spigot every time we leave the campsite, I can just shut the water valve right off the elbow. Shutting off the valve is just a habit I've developed over time whenever I'm leaving the RV for long periods of time or overnight, just in case there's ever a plumbing issue while we're gone. As y'all know, these RVs, they're not made with the highest quality materials, so anything can happen. Another cool thing about the elbow is that it also lets me position my water filter much better and keeps the hose from making sharp bends right at the connection, which helps everything stay cleaner and more organized and flow smoothly. Overall, both of these are simple upgrades if you like keeping track of your water usage when dry camping, want to catch potential plumbing issues early, or just want a cleaner, more convenient water hookup. I think both of these are worthwhile additions to your RV setup. With all that being said, I hope this video was helpful.